TinyChefs. Today we are working our way through the rainbow and we are starting with fruits and vegetables that are red in color. Now, as you can see, I've gathered fruits and vegetables that were in my refrigerator, and these vegetables I have to purchase outside, either at a farmer's market or at the grocery store, because I do not have a home garden. It's one of my goals. Many of you may have a home garden, and so you could be already growing things like these fruits and vegetables. So I just kind of want to go through and talk about this fruit. Sometimes we don't really realize it's a fruit, but it's a tomato. It does have seeds, which makes it a fruit. I chose this fruit to talk about because it's a vine ripened tomato, which happen to be so delicious when you smell them, and to me, just the best tasting tomato out there. And so with tomatoes, you know, you can use them for marinara sauces. You can eat them plain, maybe put a little salt on them, have them in a sandwich, obviously a salad. You can even cook your tomatoes. I don't really love that, but a lot of people do. So I'll be honest, I don't really love that. But tomatoes are great for your vision, and they have antioxidants in there for you. Another fun, this one's a vegetable. This one is a root vegetable. You can see the root here is the beet. Okay, so it looks like this when it's pulled from the ground, and it has big long stems. And then when you peel it, it looks like this. And then beets have all kinds of, first of all, they're yummy, and they have all kinds of benefits for you. Heart healthy nitrates, folate, potassium. You can use these in your salads. You can cook them up, steam them up, and they're delicious. They can also be used for coloring things, like a food coloring, an all-natural food coloring in your frostings, perhaps. Red onion. This is one of, I love a red onion, very potent. You cut it up raw, put it in salads, or you can use it in stir fries and curries. Vitamins B, vitamin 6, and magnesium. Okay, our apple, one of our more popular fruits, can be known for their fiber, okay, and vitamin C and the antioxidants. Can go, obviously cook them and put them in all kinds of sweet treats like a cobbler or a pie, or you could just eat them raw, dip them with peanut butter. Our cherries, this is good for calcium and vitamin A and folate. So these are yummy. I've made a cherry cobbler before. Your hands definitely get red when you're doing that, but or you can just pop them in your mouth. Good little treat for the kids if you're going to the beach or on a picnic. Couple more here. We've got our red pepper. I love this, one of my favorites for dipping. I'll use it in stir fries. I put it a lot of times in my omelets. And the red peppers are good for vitamin A and vitamin C and B6. And then finally, I wanted to, save the best for last was the strawberries. Now my girls love strawberries. They put them in their smoothies. They cut them up and put whipped cream on them. Sometimes they put them right in their cereal. Has a lot of potassium, vitamin C, and B9. These are all heart healthy. If we're eating raw foods and raw vegetables, that's the best for our body. So these are our red fruits and vegetables.